In this video, I'm going to show you 10 websites that can pay you daily within 24 hours. The first website in our list is freecash.com. It's a great website for those looking to earn money from the comfort of their home. At freecash.com, there are a lot of opportunities for you. You can start making money with a variety of tasks. For example, you can start completing surveys, watching videos, or even playing games. Freecash.com has something for everyone. And also this platform has great flexible payout options. For example, you can try to have a cash out through PayPal or other things like gift cards from retailers like Amazon, Steam, or even cryptocurrencies. The choice is yours. Now you might be wondering about the potential earnings. Active users in this website can make monies very quickly. It's possible to make from $300 to $500 per month depending on the time and effort you invest. So this website is an excellent starting point for anyone willing to dip their toes into the world of online earning. The second website in our list is called superpay.me. So it's a great platform that you can make money online and you can get paid for different things like surveys. And the good thing about this website that you can have an instant cash out with as little as $1. With a high score from a reviewing website, Trustpilot, it has 4.4 score, which is excellent. And also you can have top benefits like, for example, work from home and access thousands of new servers daily. And as you join the platform, you get $1 as a bonus. So what you need to do is to go to this website and register here. And also when you reach the threshold and you make a request for a cash out, it takes out around 8 hours to pay to your account. Now let's go to the earning potentials. For every survey you take in this website, you can make around 30 cents to $2, and some of the surveys can pay you up to $15. Also, you can make some money by watching videos in this platform, but the earnings are very low and you just earn like 3 cents per short video watching. Also, there are different contests in this website, and if you are one of the top 20 earners, you can receive cash bonuses, and the highest earners receive $350. Now let's go to number 3 website in our list, ibotta.com. It's a great website you can use to get cash back every time you shop on the app or in store. So this Cash App website offers you the best features to save on grocery, everyday items, or your favorite brands online. So there are 3 things you need to do to make money with this. So when you go to this website, first you find offers for products you plan to buy and save to your list, and then you use online grocery and delivery services or shop in a store with your list. And after that, you submit a receipt or link your store loyalty account. And once your earnings hit $20, you can withdraw to your bank account or to a gift card. Also, there is a browse extension that you can install to find cashback offers and compare prices and even set price drop alerts, all from one helpful tool. So there are different stores you can get cashback. For example, you can use it on Walmart, Best Buy, Amazon, Home Depot, Lowe's, Uber, Postmates, Dell, and Samsung, and so on. So the next website you can make money with is userinterviews.com. It's a platform that connects researchers with participants of various types of market research studies, including surveys, interviews, focus group, and product testing. Companies and researchers use user interviews to gather insights and feedback from real users to improve their products, services, or understand customer behavior better. As a participant, you can make money by taking part in these research studies, contributing valuable feedback, and sharing your opinions. So the process is that you first sign up in this platform, and then you complete your profile, and then in your dashboard, you browse the studies and find the ones that you qualify for. And these studies are diverse, ranging from short online surveys or in-depth in-person interviews. And after successfully participating in a study, you'll receive money as outlined in the study details. Payments can be different depending on the study's length and type and the requirements, and usually the payment methods are PayPal or gift cards or sometimes direct deposit. Now let's talk about the earning potentials. For participating in short online surveys or tasks, you could be earning from $5 to $20 depending on the length and complexity of the survey or task. For one-to-one interviews, you could be earning from $50 to $150 per hour. And if you are participating in focus groups, which require more time and interaction with a group of participants and researchers, you can get offers from $75 to $300 or more per session. And for specialized studies with participants with a specific professional expertise or some specific skills, the money could be higher and it could be more than $500 for a session or a series of sessions. The next website you can try to make money is testerup.com. It's a great platform that you can earn money testing online, and you can get up to $120 per test offer. This website also mentions that after you sign up, you will be given 20 jobs to complete, and around 3 million members are registered on this website. So in this website, when you become a member, you have access to test out a wide selection of surveys, games, different apps, product, as well as cosmetics and much more. And the payment is very fast and safe, and it can be transferred directly to your PayPal. This website has a great excellent score in Trustpilot, which is excellent. So what you need to do simply is just to open the first page and register and make an account and start earning money. The earning potential is good, and you usually receive 50 offers to test, which are worth over $800 immediately after you complete the free registration. And you can test anything from anywhere with your phone, computer, or tablet. Now let's go to the next website, which is called Cambly.com. So this is a great website that you can start tutoring, and you can tutor English in a fun and rewarding way. The good thing about this platform is that it doesn't need any teaching certificate, any bachelor's degree, or any prior teaching experience. So with the students all around the world, you can start tutoring at any time of the day based on your schedule, and you can work as little or as much as you want. No minimum hours ever. And for every minute you spend chatting, you can get money. For example, you can make like $12 per hour by chatting. And also you can get paid through PayPal or direct deposit. So in fact, you're having English language classes with students from around the world. For example, you can have a class with a university student from Brazil, a marketing professional from Japan, or an English enthusiast from Turkey, all in one day. Now let's go to number 7, which is the free Bitcoin.money. It's a great, easy platform to earn free crypto. So what you need to do is to register in this platform, and then you claim free tokens from short links, offer walls, PTC ads, and many more. So when you have your tokens collected, you can claim some real crypto for yourself. So you can do a variety of tasks here to earn crypto, like faucets, surveys and offers, watching ads, playing games, and some referral programs. After you do your task and earn crypto, you need to have a secure crypto wallet so that you can receive your earnings. The next website in our list is reviewmoney.top. This is a very legit platform that you can earn money by reviewing brands. The point is that the top brands, before launching their new products, they need to test many things and make sure that their products are meeting the needs of their customers. So that's where you come in, and your feedback could be valuable for them. So with this platform, you can earn extra income during your free time while helping brands refine their products and services by shaping your valuable opinions. This platform allows you to earn income during your free time while helping brands refine products and services by sharing your opinion. The good thing is that all new users after signing up will receive $25 as a bonus, and then you start reviewing the products from different brands, and then you earn your money through your PayPal account or Cash App or Venmo. The good things about this website is that it offers many different and unique ways to make money instantly. You can also earn money by referring your friends or followers, or make money by posting on social media sites. Now let's go to the earning potentials. For every hour you spend completing offers on brand review, you can earn up to $18 per hour. This number can be different depending on the user activity and progress. And also it's possible for some offers to earn $100, and for some social media posts you can earn $50, and for any referral you get $20. The payment is instant. As soon as you make a request for payment, you are paid. Verified members are paid instantly. Simply you select your payment method, so you can pay instantly when you request a cash out. Okay, the next website I'm going to talk about is called Gigwork.com. Gigwork is a great mobile app or website app that you can do a variety of tasks for some companies. These tasks can range from like taking photos of some store displays or checking different product prices, or maybe do some complex assignments, some like mystery shopping or product reviews. So the first thing you need to do is that you can download the Gigwork app and you just register that and you make an account. So you complete your profile by adding some information about your current location, and also you link your PayPal account. And after that, you go and browse through available gigs or tasks that you can do in your app different to the location and the area that you are. These gigs can give you a few dollars or more than $100 depending on the task and the complexity. Each gig worker in this app has a performance score based on several factors, including such as successfully completing gigs and activity level. This score allows Gigwork to match more complex and higher paying jobs with more talented gig workers. So if you raise your performance score, you will increase your chances of being selected for higher paying gigs. And also when a customer sees that you consistently do good work for them, they have the ability to add you to their private workforce. This grants you access to private gigs available only for you. The final website in our list is clickworker.com. So it's a great website that you can make money from anywhere, anytime. There are different micro tasks given to you and you have just to complete them. For example, they may give you a yoga experience task, which they ask you to give your yoga experience by answering a few questions. And also another task could be just taking some pictures from fragrances. And you take photos of fragrances in some special stores. Or maybe they ask you to take photos of the place in your home where you usually eat. The payments are secure and sent to your PayPal or Payoneer. Also, you have your weekly payments. There are other different types of tasks you can do, such as surveys by sharing your opinion, or text creation. You create informative text, product descriptions, or articles about a given topic. In another task, you may be given to do some research, like search for some data and addresses of some companies, restaurants, and other localities. Your earning potential with this website increases as you become more efficient at completing tasks and allow you to complete more tasks in less time. And also some tasks require you to take some specific assessments or have certain qualifications, which can unlock higher paying opportunities. Many people working on Clickworker report that the earnings are anywhere from a few dollars to over $10 per hour, depending on the factors. Monthly earnings can range from below $100 for some casual users to over $1,000 for highly active and skilled workers. What you need to do is to complete your profile completely and then pass some assessments to qualify for more types of tasks. And also you have to check frequently this website to find better opportunities. But it's important to know that it's just a website for some extra income and it's not like a full-time job. If you were interested in this video, please go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel, and also check out the other video I made before about 10 websites that pay daily. Thank you very much, and I see you in the next video. Take care.